Hi everyone, welcome back to the Visual Builder Cloud Service online course. So today in this video, we are going to look at the mobile application and how to create mobile application using Visual Builder Cloud Service. Along with web application, Visual Builder can allow you to create mobile application as well, which can run on any device and operating system like Android and then iOS. Visual Builder allows us to create mobile application that will help you to run on any device and on the operating system like Android and then iOS. Once you create an application, you can deploy your application which can run on the Android and then iOS. Each mobile application in your visual application is independent, but they can all use the data sources defined in the visual application. For example, if you have created a visual application where you wanted to create a web application as well as the mobile application, but you create different business object and a different service connection. So these service connection and the business object are shareable, and these can be used in the mobile application as well as in the web application. For the mobile application, you don't need to create separately business or service connection, but yes, they all can be used in the mobile application as well. So let's go ahead and try to create your first mobile application. For this, I will log in into the Visual Builder and will create our first mobile application using this new button. Mobile application, you can say my mobile application, okay? And then you can say learning mobile application and simply finish. So here my application has been created. First, let's try to create a business object which we will use in the mobile application. So you can see the business object is independent with the web or mobile application. Here I will create a business object called employee. Under this employee business object, I will create certain fields and initially I will load some data, create new field like name, create another field like email address, which will be of email type, create another field like age, which will be of this type, create another date of birth, you can say, and this will be of daytime time. You can create another field like country, and this will be of again this type, string type. Okay, let's try to load some data quickly. Go to the data and then add row. Age 33, India, date of birth, we can put anything for the time being. For example, okay, that will become right? Ankur@gmail.com and then Ankur, okay, and then add row. Try to add one more row here. I can say 30, country again, United States, date of birth, you can pick it up, 1990, today, okay, sorry. You can say 1990 and then this thing, 4th April 1990. And here you can say a month, yahoo.com and then a month, okay, add. So here initially I have created two rows. Now my business object is ready. Let's try to create a mobile application. So just create on a mobile application. In order to create a mobile application, you have to click here and then plus mobile application. Once you click on this, a dialog box will be opened, which will allow you to select the navigation style like horizontal, vertical, and then none. So let's go ahead with none. And here create your application like HR application. Okay. And then next. Once you click on the next, again, it will allow you to select the page template like custom, dashboard, form, list, summary, and then tabs. Let's go ahead with the list and then create. Once your mobile application will be created, it will create the similar structure as we have seen in the web application as well. Similarly, it will create a single flow, main and then main start. And then under resources folder, you will find different folders, components, CSS, image, JavaScript, and then string. And under root pages, you will see this app shell. Okay. And here you have the component palette. It is showing the list because you have selected the list page template. So let's try to bind this list with the business object. So just select this list view and go to the quick start, and here click on add data. This add data will open this dialog box, which will allow you to select the business object, select employee, and then next. Here you can select any template of the list. This is not a mobile specific. This will come in the web application as well. Select this and then next. Here you can select the 5 fields. Let's try to select it. Let's say name, date of entry, and then you can select date of birth, and then email address, and then age. Okay, so I have selected 5 fields here, and the primary key will be ID. Next, and then click on a finish. Here you will see your page has been loaded, and it has the data which is in the business object. You can try to expand this, and you can see the data has been loaded in the list view. You can try to change the mobile like Samsung asset. This is how your page application will look like on the Samsung phone, Samsung S8. Let it be loaded. Just keep loading. Here you can view the mobile phone as well. This is like the Samsung S8. You can view in the iPad as well how the mobile application will look like in the iPad. Okay. Now, if you go to the code view, you can see the code, how the code will look like. So here's the list view where it will show you all the data which you have selected, like name, country, date of birth, email address, and then age. Okay. Go back to the design view. Let's try to create 2 more pages which will allow me to edit the page or allow me to create a new entry. For this, just click on this list view, go to the quick start menu, and then click on add create page. Select the business object. Next, and here I want user to add name, email address, then age, date of birth, and then country. Okay, and here you can say the page title, you can change it on board employee, and then here you can see the a page will be created. This simply click on a finish button. Here you will see a plus button will be created, which will allow us to create a new employee. If you expand this, here you can see the page has been created. It is similar as we have seen in the web application. Okay, so this is, once you click on a plus button, a new page will be created, page will be opened, which will allow you to onboard a new employee. Let's try to give a support to edit the employee. For this, simply select this list view and then add edit page. Select the employee, next, select the employee, next, and here I will allow user to update name, date of birth, I'll say, sorry, country, and then age, and update details. Edit employee, finish. Here you don't see any edit button here, but I will show you how you can edit an employee. Before I do this, I will allow this mobile application to delete the employee as well. So for this, simply click on a add delete action, and then select this business object. That's it. Finish. Let this to be loaded. Okay. If you go to the code section, you can see the template and a edit button and another delete button, right? Let's just try to preview your application, how the application will look like. Let it be loaded. Okay. Let the application to be loaded. You can simply click, or you can change the device as well. Let it be loaded. Here you can see the user details, Ankur, country, email address, date of birth, and then age. Let's try to create a new employee. So just simply click on this plus button, and here you can see, oh sorry, I have clicked on save, but here you can see the blank row. But just try to click on the plus button. Here you can see the cancel and then save button. Let's try to add a new employee, Nancy at gmail.com, and then age you can just simply plus, let's suppose 30, and then date of birth you have to select the calendar, and then this thing, and then country, and then simply click on a save button. Here you can see your employee has been created successfully and it is visible on the list. How to update a record? For this, you have to wipe it towards the left, and it will show you the edit and then delete action automatically. You just wipe it, just select this row and then wipe it. Okay. Now just try to edit this record. Click on edit, and then a new page will come up. Here you can see, let's try to edit this record. The pen. Australia age, you can say 10, and then save. Here you can see your record has been updated and it is visible here. Okay. Let's try to delete this record. Again, you can wipe it and then simply delete it. Now here you can see the record has been deleted. So this is how you can create a mobile application to allow user to create a record, to view the list of the users and then delete. If you go back, if you see this employee object here, you can see another record has been added here. If you go to the main start and you can see the design page here, you can see the end. The end means if you click here, it is showing these two actions is showing in the end. If you wanted to wipe right and you wanted to show action here, you can do this as well. So you just need to change the slot, template slot, and then make it start. Here you can see the text is added and then delete. If you wanted to change the text of these icons, you can change, like update. Okay, and then go to live section again. Here you cannot do a right, left, you just need to right. Here you can see the update, the caption has also been changed. Okay, so this is how you can create a simple mobile application in a Visual Builder Cloud service. That's all for this video. Thank you. Bye bye.